And I am going to continue the report of Chari Mumu. So let's continue. So first, the auxiliary sections within a musical composition are introduction and coda. First, the introduction. Introduction, this is a passage and the beginning of a musical work, an opening section. So when we say introduction, in music, we begin, of course, in the intro. So, other term of this in music is intro. So, that is the introduction. While the coda literally means the tail piece. When we say tail is the end of a music. Tail piece, this is a section that gives closure to a musical work, even if its material is sometimes unrelated to the themes or phrases used in the piece. So introduction is the first stanza of the music or intro of a music, while the coda is the end of a music. So let's move on to its structure of musical forms. First is binary. So binary, this is a piece of music which has two sections which are related and complement each other. Also called A-B form, where A is the first section and B is the second section. So binary form, the binary or A-B form refers to a composition made up of two contrasting melodic ideas. A song in the binary form is composed of two different sections. So example of the binary form song is the Paru-Parong Bukid. So the song Paru-Parong Bukid is have A-B form, where A is the first section while the B is the second section. So let's forward to ternary. So ternary, also called a ABA form. This form has three sections, where A is the opening section, followed by a B section that is different yet complementary and tonally related. So ternary form, it is a three-part form featuring a return of the initial music after a contrasting section. So the example of ternary song is Tinikling. So Tinikling has a ABA form. A is the opening section. B is the section that is different yet complementary and tonally related after this. While the last A is a section is repeated. So also ang example sa ternary is the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So let's forward to rondo. Rondo, this is signified as ABACA or ABACADA form, where the primary section A is repeated, and between episode, section B, C, and D, an example of this kind of form is Mozart's famous piano piece, which is Ronda alla Turca. So when we say rondo form is a sequential compositional form with several distinct parts, in which the main section A is alternated with contrasting music B, C, D, and end with a repeat of the initial music theme. So, ang example aning rondo is a song Maligayang Araw. So, strophic. This is a type of form wherein all the stanzas or verses of a song's lyrics are sung to same music. So, it is also called verse repeating form. So, verse repeating form. Balik-balik. Balik-balik ang strophic. Ang strophic is na siya one or more verses. Tapos, pero iyang melody is balik-balik ra. Number 4 is repeat marks. So, repeat marks has 4 kinds. So, first is da capo. Da capo, it is an Italian word that means from the beginning. So, the word from the beginning, da capo is a sign which if you play a music or a song, if you see the sign DC, D dot then C, it means that from the beginning. So you repeat the music from the beginning. So that is da capo. So B, dal signo. Dal signo abbreviated as DS. So DS, it is an Italian word meaning from the sign. So from the sign, this is the sign of dal signo. If you see this sign in a music you play, it means that you repeat the music if you see this sign. That kanang maula katulang nga stanza nga naay sign nga ani mao imuharang i-repeat. Mao na siya ang dal signo. Ang sign sa sign nagmatter ang music. So letter C. Letter C is da capo alpine. So da capo alpine, an instruction that means to repeat from the beginning to the end. So da capo is from the beginning, while alpine is to the end. So when you see this sign or DC alpine, it means you repeat from the beginning, but you stop to the word fine, to a music you play. So that is the capo alpine. So letter D, repeat marks. These are a sign which says that a section of music is to be played twice. So repeat marks. Understandable kaayo siya no kay repeat. So balikon ra nimo ang music nga imo ang gi-play. Twice nimo siya balikon. Music that is to be repeated is written in the measures within the two dots, shaped like chords. So na ang imong ilhanan is shaped like chords. So ani. This is the example. Sa kuan nga repeated section. Twice siya nag-repeat. So that's all. So let's forward to notes within these 4 measures have to be played twice. So first and second endings. When the music has a different ending upon repeat, bracket with numbers on top of measures show which to play during the first time and which to play during the second time, and so on. So, mao ni siya ang example. So, una vez or first time bar, mao ni siya ang first time bar. While the second time bar, or we say segunda vez, ani siya. Mao ni siya. So, that's all to notes within 4 measures. So now let us review the terms related to dynamics. Dynamics which pertain to the softness or loudness of music, volume. So here are the dynamic marking in Italian, and this is a meaning. These are the meaning in English, and these are the symbol. So let's start to the dynamic marking in Italian. So pianissimo. So pianissimo in English is very soft, while the symbol of pianissimo is PP. And second is piano. In English is soft, meaning in English. While the symbol of piano is P. Next is mezzo piano. So mezzo piano in English is moderately soft. So the symbol of mezzo piano is MP. While the mezzo forte is moderately loud, while the symbol of mezzo forte is MF. Next is forte. So forte is in English is loud. So loud ang forte sa English. Then ang symbol niya is F. While the fortissimo is very loud. And ang symbol niya is FF. Next is crescendo. Crescendo in English is gradually getting louder. So yung aniya symbol, mura siya kanang arrow siya pero padulong siya sa right nga arrow. While the decrescendo or diminuendo in English is gradually getting softer. So softer siya. Paarog mo siya pero sa left padulong ang decrescendo. While the crescendo is sa right nga iyahang forma sa iyahang symbol is pa-arrow pa-right. So that's all. Thank you. I hope you learn something about this topic. That's all.